Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to delete avatar on Duolingo. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually remove your avatar in Duolingo? So first things first is we need to open up the Duolingo mobile application. Now from Duolingo, what we need to do next is we need to access our account or our profile. So go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom center of your screen and you should be able to see your avatar on Duolingo. Now there are going to be some limitations that we could do on our account in Duolingo here. So just in case if you want to delete your avatar in Duolingo, well in this case you won't be able to completely remove it, but you could actually update your avatar in Duolingo. Now to do that, go ahead and click on your avatar and from here you could go ahead and do customizations that you want. Now, if you want something really completely different from what you have right now, you can go ahead and change whatever here. Like, for example, the size of that person or that avatar that you have right now, the face, the hair, the eyes, the mustache, the hat, or anything, any aspects that you could do here. Now, also, whenever you're adding something here, like for example, you have a hat here, you could also choose the headwear color or the color of that specific headwear. Now in this case, once you're done, you could go and click on done at the top right of your screen to save your changes. And from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.